Anyone who has been around the Gala Games ecosystem for more than a few days has undoubtedly heard of the big event the company is planning in Las Vegas for December 11th, 12th, and 13th into the Galaverse. Let's have a look at it in this particular video. But before that, welcome back to your own channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. Gala Games is leaving the conventional aspects of the convention behind, creating something incredible and unique with this epic in-person event. There will be a variety of worlds to explore, creatively built from the concepts of your favorite Gala Games titles. There will be early access releases, VIP entertainment, wining and dining, and more. You'll get the latest news of exciting things to come and even some sneak peeks of things further down the road. There will be gifts and prizes. Most importantly, this is your opportunity to personally meet members of the Gala Games team. Gala Games, the successful blockchain gaming platform, concludes today its inaugural Galaverse in Las Vegas with a global virtual conference today at 11 a.m. PDT on the Gala Games YouTube channel for anyone who loves or wants to learn more about blockchain gaming. Galaverse, an immersive event for the community to celebrate the Gala Games metaverse, kicked off over the weekend with a two-day in-person event with more than 500 attendees from around the world. The event brought together industry. The official announcement confirms that participants will be required to buy one ticket for the whole event instead of buying daily. A single ticket costs $8,000 and $14,000 for a couple, and the total number of available tickets is only 800. Similarly, the gaming studio also made another biggest announcement earlier this month. The company revealed its plans to deploy $5 billion to expand its NFT ecosystem. The report added the consumption plans of the $5 billion funds, which seeds $2 billion for the game developments and $1 billion for Gala theme park NFT, and the remaining $2 billion will equally deploy its music studio project and movies. Legends Peter Molyneux and will write with both announcing their partnerships with Gala Games. The team also announced the expansion of the Walking Dead franchise and AAA developer Certain Affinity's original IP Last Expedition into blockchain gaming. There were also performances by Maroon 5, Arcade Fire, and Kings of Leon, and DJ sets headlined by Snoop Dogg and Steve Aoki for the global attendees. Galaverse, an immersive event for the community to celebrate the Gala Games metaverse, welcomed more than 500 attendees globally on Deck 12 in Las Vegas. The event brought together industry legends Peter Molyneux on stage and photo and will write with both announcing their partnerships with Gala Games. They also announced the expansion of the Walking Dead franchise and Certain Affinity's original IP Last Expedition into blockchain gaming. Photo credit, Denise Truscello / Gala Games. Gala Games also announced today the launch of a $100 million blockchain gaming fund in partnership with C2 Ventures, a new crypto investment firm founded by Kira Sun, the former head of listing and blockchain investments at Huobi Global. The joint fund will invest in game developers and emerging projects building with blockchain technology, including but not limited to play-to-earn, GameFi, metaverses, and other decentralized gaming solutions. This event for our community has ushered in the new blockchain generation of gaming, said Eric Schiermeier, co-founder of Zingbet, now CEO of Gala Games. We brought together the biggest names and franchises in the industry to present our vision for the future. We are focused on building gaming titles that fans will want to play if we are going to take blockchain gaming truly forward. This is just the beginning as we look to develop the Galaverse experience around the globe. Galaverse tickets. Passes will be sold starting on Sunday, October 10th. They will be sold through the Gala Games store as blockchain NFT in 3 different rarities. These NFT passes will not have any future utility outside of representing admission to a day of the Into the Galaverse event, but they will always belong to you as a unique collectible reminder of the incredible time you had at the first Galaverse event. Passes will be sold on a per-day basis with a limited quantity available for each day and rarity. While we will not yet reveal the prices for these tickets, the availability of each rarity is listed below. Epic, 660 tickets, 330 Saturday, 330 Sunday. Legendary, 60 tickets, 30 Saturday, 30 Sunday. Ancient 20 tickets, 10 Saturday, 10 Sunday. Each of these single-day tickets also comes with a live stream access pass to Monday's virtual event. No drop tickets. As with every new NFT introduced into the Gala Games ecosystem, a portion of these tickets will be dropped to lucky node operators. We understand that every node operator who receives a drop ticket may not be able to join us in Las Vegas this December, but we sincerely hope that you can. You will also have the option to transfer or sell your ticket, but be advised that as the owner of a ticket, you will be emailed a unique redemption code. If you sell or gift your ticket, make sure that you do so before using the redemption code and include the redemption code when you transfer the item. 60 rare tickets will be dropped to node operators. 6 legendary tickets will be dropped to node operators. 2 ancient tickets will be dropped to node operators. Galaverse completely exceeded our expectations during our inaugural event. It was critical for us to immerse our community into our world and truly engage them on the future of blockchain gaming, said James Olden, Chief Strategy Officer for Gala Games and President of Gala Labs. We did not want this to be your average conference or event with players joining us from around the world. And just like we are focused on making games that you want to play, we want Galaverse to be an event that you want to attend. Galaverse was produced in partnership with Volo Events Agency, a leading producer and production company of live events and experiential marketing for global brands. Volo is led by primetime Emmy Award-winning producer Charles Mardo, who served as executive producer and producer for Galaverse. For 35 years, Mardo has produced notable events, network television, celebrity music specials, and immersive experiences for brands. So that is all we have for you today. Consider subscribing to the Crypto World for more amazing crypto videos daily. Peace out.